this is not a Pokemon, and it's not an alien either. Meet the axolotl, a real animal that looks like a baby forever. It never fully grows up and keeps its cute smile its whole life. Those feathers on its head, they're actually external gills. But here's the wild part. The axolotl can regrow its legs, tail, and even parts of its brain. Scientists study this creature to learn how humans might one day regenerate organs. Cute on the outside, super powerful on the inside. Follow for more unbelievable animals.